In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use HyperVoice text-to-speech API in your AI agents on platforms like TaskAGI, N8N, Make, Zapier, and even your own custom applications. So TaskAGI is an AI agent building platform where we also publish our own AI models. One of them is HyperVoice, our context-aware text-to-speech model with emotional capabilities. It has two versions. V4 is indistinguishable from real-life voices. You can change its emotions, clone your voice via API, turn on context-aware feature, which will automatically handle emotions based on sentiment analysis of your sentences. This version is perfect for social media content, YouTube videos, audiobooks, and whatnot. Our V3 model, however, it's optimized for speed. It's also super realistic and conversational, which makes it perfect for applications such as AI phone support agent and any other use case where you need almost immediate speech from the API. So to get started, head over to TaskAGI.net, and on the left side, you can see all of our available models. Click on HyperVoice. So this is where all the magic happens. You could play around to familiarize yourself how the model actually works. We could check emotions, browse our available voice actors. There are hundreds of them. You could also clone your voice. But if you want to use our fast model, which is V3, you need to switch to our older studio using this button over here. Okay. Our older model is conversational. It doesn't have any settings for emotions. You can only change its speed. But normally it's super high quality and it's perfect for real-time applications such as AI call center agents. You should also check available actors and listen to their voices, since we're gonna be using these names in our API calls. Find the one you like and copy its name. So to generate speech via the API, head over to API page and give your API a name. Let's call it demo. And click generate. Now you're gonna see this API key just once, so make sure to save it in a safe place. But if you lose it, you could just create another one. Our API is incredibly easy to use, and you can find code samples for V4, voice cloning, as well as our V3 model on our GitHub page, along with code samples in multiple programming languages. Now I'm going to show you how to use the API using Postman, but you can easily adapt it to any programming language you might be using. Just check our code samples on GitHub or ask any AI to give you the transformed code. So if you want to use the V4 model with emotions, context-aware features, this is the endpoint you should be using. Set your method to post and head over to headers. So for authorization, set it to bearer followed by your API key. Make sure your content type is application JSON. Next, let's configure our body, which is where we send our parameters. Text and voice name are required, but context-aware and emotions are optional. I recommend setting context-aware to true. If you do that, you're gonna let our AI handle emotions and nuances. Now, if you want to use the extra fast V3 model, make sure you change your endpoint to this URL. Also update your method to get. Our headers are exactly the same: authorization, bearer followed by your API key, content type is application JSON. Now, we need to change a few body parameters. This endpoint only accepts actor and gen text. Just type your text over here and you can find available actors for our V3 model in our GitHub page. They're also available in the application itself. Just browse voices, listen to our samples, and copy this name from here and paste it in the actor. Now, using the HyperVoice text-to-speech API is even easier within TaskAGI Agent Builder. Like, all you have to do is find TaskAGI on the left integrations panel and drag and drop the endpoint into your workflow. We already have a working example here, so let's check its configuration. As you see, it takes the output of another node and uses it as its input. So you can just drag and drop them over here. So you can set the text you wanna generate speech for, as well as actor and speed. So what you're seeing here is a AI call support agent that works using Twilio, our knowledge base, OpenAI, and HyperVoice text-to-speech API. Using HyperVoice in any other process automation platform is exactly the same, whether it's N8N, Make, Zapier, or whatever you might be using. So that's it for today's video. I'm the founder of TaskAGI, and in this channel we're going to be publishing practical use cases and tutorials about AI models and agents every day. So make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss out, and let me know if there are any specific topics you want us to cover and agents you want us to build. Thank you.